How to find your Diablo Immortal player ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Diablo Immortal and you want to find your player ID, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Diablo Immortal game on your device. Once you're inside the main game, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. And from the expanded menu, click on the gear button. Once you're inside the gear icon or the settings menu, you see the UID option at the bottom of the screen, this one over here. Simply go ahead and take a screenshot of this page or write down the user ID somewhere safe. You may need it for support or account related requests later. So that is how you can easily find your player ID in Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.